Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. A little bit of selling pressure now in the market, and that could be the onset of that C wave that we wanted to see. Let's see if we actually get it. Talking about the microstructures here. So obviously this can still change. It's very much in a corrective pattern. So these corrective patterns often change and morph and transform, but we're going to zoom in a minute. Overall, the situation is that a wave 5 completed here in December. You know that if you watch previous videos, there's basically a 5-wave move from the lows that formed in September. So it's quite a bullish structure. Such a 5-wave move to the upside, and then the 3-wave pullback was expected. I explained all that in previous videos. No need to dive into that in detail, I think. Bottom line is wave 2, which is basically the corrective pattern that is correcting. It's a counter trend move that is correcting this increase that happened between September and December. So markets always need to breathe in, breathe out. Any trending move like that 5-wave move into the December highs also needs to be corrected at some point. And those are the counter trend moves like a wave 2, a wave 4, a B wave, right? They are all counter trend moves. And basically the idea is that, yeah, you know, we had our ideal support area for this wave 2. The price already reacted to it, is trying to break out of this corrective price channel to the upside. It's a little bit too early to confirm that the wave 2 is over, but it's definitely going that way. And if you followed the previous videos, then you know about the microstructure that we've been watching, and basically what we need to see for confirmation that wave 2 is really over. I'm already leaning to the idea that wave 2 is over, but there are very clear levels to watch that if they break again. Yeah, if they break to the downside, I have to assume that the wave 2 is still unfolding. And if we make another low here, so if something like this happens, it's always worth to know, okay, what is the next support level? Well, I've got 66.7 cents next, 65, 58. They are, to be honest, the next support levels. It wouldn't be great if from here it still breaks, but it could just give us one last dip into that region here around 65 cents. But I need to see a break below support to confirm that. And I'm talking about a sustained break. Invalidation point for the idea that the wave 2 bottomed is the 69 cent level. So below 69 cents, it's absolutely confirmed that wave 2 is still unfolding. A break below 71.5 cents will be a strong indication. All right. So let's go into the detailed structure. What I just explained to you on the, let's say, the macro scale, bigger picture, happened here in small as well. From this wave 2 low, we have seen 5 waves up. 5 waves up into the 83 cent high. That was a target at the time. Target was reached for a 5-wave move to the upside on the smaller time frame. We always need 5 waves also on the smaller time frames to suggest that a low in wave 2 completed in this case. So we've got the first indication, okay. Then I added for you a trend reversal zone, a support area for the upcoming, again, corrective pullback. The price reacted to it. So then we said, okay, maybe this is the wave 2 on the 1 hour time frame, 1, 2. But I also explained to you that this would be a very shallow wave 2. So it's possible wave 2 bottom there, but I would prefer, also in line with Bitcoin, another dip into support in a more pronounced ABC structure. A wave bottomed, reacted, rallied into resistance. Okay, so it's respecting very well all of our parameters here. And now the C wave might have started to unfold. The C wave could take us back into the yellow support area. So I'm talking about the micro support area here. We're still within the larger support box. Always depends on your time frame. But here, when we talk about the microstructure, ideally the price finds support in that yellow micro support box between 77.6 and 71.9 cents. However, this is the support area. Yeah. There is an additional area that we could add to the chart now with that potential B wave top. So if wave B really topped, then target for the C wave is here between 75.4 cents and 71.5 cents. So there's a really good overlap of this target area and the larger support area for the wave 2. So one is the target area for wave C, which could be a little bit more precise. maybe, no need. So I mean, again, if we dip back into support, that could be it, and it could just go. But the white box is basically a slightly smaller area where we could pay additional attention if the price gets into that region. So that's what I'm watching today. These are the parameters I'm watching. It should really, so the price needs to hold above 71.5 cents to, basically continue to focus on the idea that this yellow wave 2 already bottomed. If that level breaks, we have to expect a move down to around about 65 cents next. But let's see if we get there first, if we hold support, and then the next move up could be a third wave rally. Hope you liked the update about MATIC. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.